An agreement has been signed between client and construction company. The construction company will utilize its 10 divisions to complete 4 years project. The construction company prepared the cost estimation for a project per division. The Excel sheet shows the cost allocated for each division. At first, we need to calculate the total cost for each item. This can be done by multiplying the unit cost by the quantity. To find the total cost for other items, we either drag the cell over the other ones or just copy and paste. Now let's calculate the manpower monthly cost. To find the manpower monthly cost, in the Excel we need to add labor monthly cost and engineers monthly cost and project managers monthly cost. This can be easily done using the sum function. We type sum and then we select the cells that we need to add them together. The second part of this case study says, how much money should the company deposit now in the bank to cover the monthly cost of manpower? This means we have to calculate the present value of the manpower monthly cost. To calculate the present value of the monthly cost of manpower, we use present value function. Present value function should be followed by the interest rate, which is 1%, and then 4 years multiplied by 12 months, and then we select the uniform payment. Part 5 of the case study says, if the current cost of purchasing equipment for general conditions is 1.5 million, what should be the minimum salvage value of the equipment to purchase instead of rent? Let's have a look at the cash flow diagram of both options. If the cost of rent option is more than the cost of purchase option, then we will go for purchase option. So we will write the condition as follows. The present value of the annual rent option must be greater than the present value of purchase option minus the salvage value. This way we are calculating the cost. Solving this inequality leads us to the following equation. Minimum salvage value is equal to the present value of purchase option minus present value of monthly payment for rent option, divided by the factor that converts the salvage value from a future value to a present value. Now to find the minimum salvage value using Excel, we just enter the equation as we got it. Part 6 asks about the amount of money that the company must deposit in June 1st to cover the site work cost. To find this amount of money, I will create a new sheet. In this sheet, we will add two types of payments. One of them is the monthly payment, and the other one is one-time payment. Then we add the timeline for those payments starting from June 1st, 2016 until June 1st, 2020. Now let's add all the monthly cost under site work payment. Use the function sum to add all monthly cost. Now this monthly cost payment that we've just found repeats every month. We'll add also the one-time payments to our sheet. We have two payments in 1st June 2017 and one payment in 1 June 16. We sum up the two payments in 2017. Then we add to our sheet a single payment in 2016. Finally, we find the present value of all these monthly cost and single time payments. We use present value function to find the present value of the uniform payment, monthly payments at rate 1%, and number of periods gonna be 4 years multiplied by 12 months. June 1st, 2016 is already present value, so we add it, and then we find present value for the payment in June 1st, 2017.